Pendulum swings are embedded in any ongoing human interaction. They occur in relationships, in cultures, and in politics. In relationships, the extreme swing is between complete autonomy and independence and enmeshment, where partners have no boundaries in thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Of course, extreme swings destabilize relationships and mental health. The more common pendular path is subtler, between closeness and not so close. In our hectic lives, couples cannot maintain a constant level of closeness. Yet happy couples are able to balance the competing drives for autonomy and connection. The secret to this balancing act: recognize that true autonomy is acting in your long-term best interest, relatively free of guilt and shame. Commit to becoming the kind of person you most want to be, and the kind of relationship you most want to have. Then you're likely to feel autonomous and connected.